Good morning, students. This is your GK class, and today we will be doing chapter number 38, Ports Ahoy. Now, in this chapter, we will be learning about different ports or seaports in the country India. So, and also the other countries like Singapore, USA, Kochi, that is in India. Then we have Casablanca, that is in Morocco, then Rotterdam, that is in Netherlands, and Istanbul, that is in Turkey. So, children, we will first start with Singapore. The port of Singapore is one of the world's busiest ports. It is located at the southern tip of the Strait of Malacca, which joins the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea. So you will see where is Singapore country. It is in the Southeast Asia. It is a Southeast Asian country located where it is located in the Strait of Malacca. So where is Strait of Malacca? It is where the countries Indonesia and Malaysia are there. So what is the Strait of Malacca? But it is a gap between two countries where the ocean water is flowing. तो जो वो गैप होता है उसमें से आप निकल के जाते हैं किसी दूसरी कंट्री के लिए, ठीक है। तो वो गैप को बोलते हैं स्ट्रेट, उस गैप को नहीं, उस गैप जो वहाँ का गैप है उस गैप को बोला है स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलक्का। और वहाँ पे आपको ये मलेशिया कंट्री है, और मलेशिया कंट्री का जो ये पोर्ट है, सी पोर्ट, ठीक है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पोर्ट. So it is a world busiest ports, one of the world busiest ports, which joins the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea. Strait of Malacca joins the Indian Ocean and South China Sea. So you can see the Indian Ocean also in the map and South China Sea also in the map. So both these oceans are joined by this Strait of Malacca. This port is an important center for international shipping, transport and communication, since it links major Asian countries like India subcontinent with China and Japan. ठीक है. So this port is also a joining point uh, between the countries like India, Japan and China. So all the trade and business is done, which is done through sea routes. जो भी बिज़नेस जो ट्रेड होता है सी रूट्स के थ्रू, वो उसको ज्वाइन कौन करता है? सिंगापुर का पोर्ट, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज़ इन बिटवीन दी इन चाइना एंड जापान एंड इंडिया. So we move to the next one is, that is Shanghai port. Shanghai is a major industrial and commercial center of China. It is world's largest container port. World's largest containers port means सबसे बड़ा पोर्ट है. कंटेनर्स पोर्ट मतलब जो शिप पे आप देखते हो कि बड़े बड़े आयरन कंटेनर्स होते हैं ना, जिसमें गुड्स लेकर जाते हैं, तो दैट इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट कंटेनर पोर्ट. नाउ next we come to the New York City port. Located at the mouth of Hudson River, New York City is one of the most important ports in the United States. It is also one of the best natural harbors of the world. Natural harbors means natural ports also. That is those ports which are not developed by the man but have been developed by the nature itself from the starting of the development of the continents. तो जो पोर्ट्स नेचुरली बने होते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल पोर्ट्स. बट उसमें क्या होता है, थोड़ा बहुत फीचर्स या थोड़ी बहुत जो इस्टेब्लिशमेंट डेवलपमेंट कर दी जाती है जिसके वजह से वो वहाँ पे और ज़्यादा शिप्स आके खड़े हो जाएं. तो कुछ कॉन्टिनेंट्स की जो कोस्ट लाइन होती है, कोस्ट लाइन मीन्स होती है जो एरिया कॉन्टिनेंट का ओशन से टच करता है, उसको कोस्ट लाइन बोलते हैं. तो वो कोस्ट लाइन अगर बिल्कुल पोर्ट्स जैसी है जहाँ पे शिप्स आके खड़े हो सकते हैं, अगर उसमें हेल्प कर दी है, तो दैट आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल हार्बर्स. सो न्यूयॉर्क सिटी का जो पोर्ट है वो एक नेचुरल हार्बर है, नेचुरल पोर्ट है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो द लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. वी नेक्स्ट कम टू द कोची. Kochi in Kerala is a chief seaport of India. It is located in the Arabian Sea, also known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea. Where is Kochi? Kochi is a district in Kerala state of India. Now there is also, it is also at the seashore ऑफ दी अरेबियन सी, ठीक है। इंडिया के आपके लेफ़्ट साइड पे कौन ओशन है, कौन सी सी है, अरेबियन सी है। तो उसी तरफ ये केरला सबसे साउथ टिप में होता है ना, लेफ़्ट साइड पे, तो उसी तरफ ये कोची पोर्ट भी है। तो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द क्वीन ऑफ द अरेबियन सी। दिस पोर्ट हैज़ बीन एन इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पाइस ट्रेडिंग सेंटर सिंस द 14th सेंचुरी। आप जानते हैं जब वास्को ड गामा आए थे तो वो उन्होंने भी सबसे पहले इसी पोर्ट पे ही आए थे और उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग किया था ट्रेड का, स्पाइसेस की ट्रेड का। स्पाइसेस मीन्स मसालों का, ठीक है। और यू नो दैट केरला इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी बिग प्रोड्यूसर और वेरी बिग एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ स्पाइसेस। वो स्पाइसेस का एक्सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा करता है और इस सी पोर्ट से, कोच्चि सी पोर्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसेस एक्सपोर्ट किए जाते हैं टू यूरोपियन नेशंस एंड अदर कंट्रीज़ ऑल्सो। So it was from the 14th century. You know that in 1498 Vasco da Gama reached India and discovered this sea route to India. So this port is well known from that period of time. So we come to the next one is, that is Casablanca in Morocco, is one of the most important ports of Africa. Now there is a country Morocco at the northern part of Africa. So it is the largest artificial port in the world and one of the largest cities in the Arab world. Morocco is also the largest city in the Arab world, means the Arabian countries, and it having the sea trade with the other countries like Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, and Libya, and Israel, Jordan, Lebanon, Iraq, like other countries are there which are situated nearby this country, are having the sea route, are having a sea trade with this country Morocco. So what is the name of the seaport in Morocco? That is Casablanca. Now the next one is Rotterdam port. The port of Rotterdam in the Netherlands is the largest port in Europe. It is connected to the North Sea by a canal. Now, what is this Rotterdam? Rotterdam port is in which country? It is in Netherlands. Netherlands is a country in the European nations at the north side of the Europe continent, where you can see Netherlands, and you will see that other countries like Germany, France, Belgium, and other countries are situated nearby that country, and also the United Kingdom also. So they are having a sea trade with these countries. Now next one is that is Istanbul port. Situated on the Black Sea, the historic city of Istanbul in Turkey is a major port. It covers the natural harbor known as the Golden Horn in inlet to the Istanbul Strait. It divides the city into two parts so that one part falls in Asia and the other in Europe. So Istanbul is a country which is a part of Asia also and Europe also, but it is counted in Asian countries, but some of the organizations over there are in European countries also, as Turkey is the part of European nations, European Union also, but its geographical location is falls under Asia continent. But we are talking about the seaport. So Istanbul is a place in Turkey which is divides the country into, which divides the city into two parts, so that one part falls in Asia and the other is in Europe. You can see the picture like this. So there are two parts, one and second. In between that there is a water flowing that. So these two parts, one is in Asia, one is in Europe continent. Now next we will do the quick quiz. Which famous port in India located on the Bay of Bengal between the ports of Kolkata and Chennai is also a famous shipbuilding center? That is Vishakhapatnam port. Now second, on the banks of river in the port of London situated on which banks of river? ठीक है, so that is in London, which river is there? There is river Thames. Now third one, in which country is the port of Shanghai located? Port of Shanghai is located in China. Which port in Dubai is the biggest and by far the busiest port in the Middle East? That is port of Jebel Ali. Now fifth one, which port town in Kerala is also called the Venice of the East? Venice of the East means, where is the Venice? What is Venice? Venice is a city in Italy country. ठीक है, so in the 14th century most of the trade was done with the European countries, so that is why they are trading with this country like India, all the spices they were, अभी मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि they were trading the spices with the India, so that is why this Kerala is also known as the spice capital of India, and they export spice to all the European nations. So Kerala is also known as the Venice of the East. So which port they are talking? They are talking about the port. So which port is there? That is Alappuzha. Alappuzha, also known as Aleppi. So thank you children.